Is Africa going crypto? And can you ride the wave with Coinbase in Nigeria? Ever wondered how everyday people across the globe are using cryptocurrency to navigate economic uncertainties? Nigeria, a nation known for its youthful and tech-savvy population, has become a hotbed for crypto adoption. But with this growing interest comes a crucial question: can Nigerians use Coinbase, one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges? Let's dive into the exciting world of crypto in Nigeria and see if Coinbase holds the key for you. The rise of the Nigerian cryptopreneur. Forget Wall Street. In Nigeria, the streets are buzzing with a different kind of financial revolution. Young Nigerians, brimming with entrepreneurial spirit, are turning to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum to hedge against inflation and build a secure financial future. The Nigerian naira, the country's official currency, has faced devaluation in recent years. This, coupled with limited access to traditional financial instruments, has made crypto a tempting alternative. Peer-to-peer transactions and the decentralized nature of crypto offer Nigerians more control over their finances. So, where does Coinbase fit in? Coinbase, with its user-friendly interface and vast array of cryptocurrencies, has become a popular choice for beginners globally. But the question lingers: is the Nigerian crypto party open to everyone, including those wanting to use Coinbase? The answer, unfortunately, isn't a simple yes or no. The situation regarding Coinbase accessibility in Nigeria is a bit of a roller coaster ride. The plot thickens: regulatory hurdles and conflicting reports. In February 2024, news outlets reported that Nigerian authorities, concerned about potential financial risks, requested telecom companies to restrict access to major crypto exchanges, including Coinbase. This move sent shockwaves through the Nigerian crypto community. However, in a plot twist, Coinbase itself refuted these claims. A company spokesperson stated that Coinbase.com remained accessible in Nigeria based on their initial investigation. This conflicting information leaves Nigerians confused and frustrated. Is there a light at the end of the tunnel? While the official stance regarding Coinbase in Nigeria remains unclear, there are a few things to keep in mind. Coinbase global reach. Coinbase doesn't currently list Nigeria as a supported country. This might restrict Nigerians from accessing all functionalities of the platform, even if the website itself is accessible. Alternative exchanges. The good news? Several crypto exchanges cater specifically to the Nigerian market. Exploring these alternatives might be a better option for now. Evolving regulations. The Central Bank of Nigeria is still formulating its stance on cryptocurrencies. Regulations might change in the future, potentially opening doors for platforms like Coinbase. Stay informed, stay crypto-savvy. The Nigerian crypto landscape is dynamic, and keeping yourself updated on the latest regulations is crucial. Here are some tips. Follow reputable crypto news sources. Join online forums and communities dedicated to Nigerian crypto. Stay tuned to official announcements from the Central Bank of Nigeria. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring the exciting world of crypto, but always do your own research before investing.